Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So this is JS Made Simple and today we are excited to launch a new series all about AutoCAD Civil 3D, especially focused on one of the most critical areas of infrastructure, that is the wet utilities. So if you have ever wondered how engineers design and manage water supply lines, stormwater drainage and sewer networks, then this series is for you. Civil 3D is one of the industry's go-to tools for these kinds of projects, offering powerful features for planning, design, and documentation. So in this first video, we will start with the basics, what Civil 3D is, how it fits into wet utility design, and walk you through some of the core commands that every beginner should know. So whether you are just getting started or looking to strengthen your Civil 3D skills, you are in the right place. So make sure to subscribe and follow along because we are going to build your knowledge step by step. So let's jump in and explore the world of Civil 3D. So to start with, what is a Civil 3D? So Civil 3D is also known as AutoCAD Civil 3D. It is a powerful civil engineering design and documentation software developed by the Autodesk. So it is widely used in infrastructure projects such as roads, highways, land developments, and utility networks. So as far as Civil 3D is concerned, Civil 3D offers dynamic modeling tools for surfaces, alignments, profiles, corridors, and pipe networks, making it ideal for designing, analyzing, and documenting complex infrastructure systems. Also, it enhances collaboration, improves accuracy, and streamlines workflows from concept to the construction. So, so this is the basic interface of Civil 3D. As you can see here, before starting any project, we have to just select the Civil 3D from this drop down. So if you can see, Civil 3D has many options at the top, and also there is an option called as a tool space. The tool space, this bar is called as a tool space. This tool space will have many functionalities like prospector, settings, survey, etc. So using this prospector, you can view the points, the surfaces, alignments which are used in the drawings, or you can even add one. So the settings, the survey, toolbox, everything is there. So this is called as the command window where basically you will input the command. Okay, and there are so many other windows like options like insert, annotate, modify, analyze, view, manage. So all these commands, all these functionalities we will learn one by one. To start with, today we will be learning about the basic commands of Civil 3D, such as how to draw line, polyline, circles, and offset commands, and how do you copy, or what are the other features, how do you copy a drawing, how do you paste it to original coordinates, all the stuffs we'll discuss in this first video. So let us start. So basically, before starting a Civil 3D session, so what you have to check is you have to check the units of the drawing. So how can this units of the drawing be checked? This is using a command called as units. Just type units and just give enter. So when you give units, you see that the units window has popped up. So here you can set the units according to your requirement. So whatever units you need, you can set it here. In our case, we need it in meters, and all the units is like I need it in this units only. So I'm just clicking on the OK. So once the unit is set, what you have to do, you can start drawing. So basically, a drawing means it will have entities like lines, polylines, circles, everything. So we will be starting with lines. So how do you draw a line? So line is easy. Just you have to give the command called as line. So as you type a command, the Civil 3D will give you suggestions. So it is same like the AutoCAD, except that Civil 3D has some advanced functionalities which we will be discussing in our upcoming videos. So to start with, we just input the command called as line, then you start drawing lines. Okay. So if you can notice it, notice one thing clearly as you draw a line, there is a green color rectangle which is coming. So this is called as the snap. So this will basically help in drawing. So like it will easily identify the vertex of a line, so we can easily join it. So if you want to undo it, what you have to do, you have to click the function F3, function and F3, and this will go. So if you want to on it again, you can just click this as well. So this is about this one. So the another command is the ortho command. Ortho command is function F8. So if you are drawing the same line, So we can the line when I speak about lines, we can also speak about polylines. The command for polylines is nothing but PL. So this is polyline. So basically, lines and polylines look entirely like one. This is the snap which we have discussed. Then we'll be discussing about this ortho. So okay, ortho is function F8. So ortho mode. So once you have clicked the ortho mode, what it will do is it will make you to draw the lines in a perpendicular direction only. It will not allow you to just draw in some other oblique manners. For example, one more cool stuff in Civil 3D is if you hit the space bar, it will repeat the previous command. So my previous command was p line. I have hit the space bar without entering anything. So it's coming like this. So you can see the ortho is on and it will just take perpendicular so that it is easy for us to draw the drawings. So this is how the ortho works. If you want to basically off the ortho, you have to just click function and F8. F8. So you can see it is off here. So basically then we have discussed about lines, polylines, then we'll be discussing about how to draw a circle. The circle is easy, the command is C enter. Okay, and you have to just click the what to say, click the center point and you can drag, or if you want to input a specific diameter, what you do, you just click 500 or something, give enter. So here you can see the scale of the drawing is very less, so that's why we have to zoom it to it. So this is how it works, the circle. So if I want to repeat, I'm just hitting the space bar. Circle is coming again. You can understand. So this is how it will work. So circle is done and lines and polylines, everything is done. So similarly, you have other commands like arcs and other stuffs. So this basic things you can actually we can practice, not an issue. So the next thing about this is one of the most useful command is the offset command. So offset. So how do you offset? Offset is nothing but you are offsetting something from the main line. So this will be mostly used in utility. So how do you do? Just click the PL command, polyline, and you're drawing the initial line. Okay, then you click the command offset, OFFSET, and just click it. Okay, enter it. Then you specify the offset distance. Offset distance I'm specifying 50,000 here, and we have to select this, selecting it, and you can click on either side. You can see that these two are getting offset. So these two have been offset. Okay, this is the main line, and these two are getting offset. And one more thing, if you want to know about the properties of these entities, what you do, you just click on it and press Control 1. As you press Control 1, it will display the properties of that particular entity. So this is a polyline, and here you come and you just click it here. This is a circle. Okay, so if you can observe one thing closely in the properties palette, you can find that there is a thing called as the layer. Okay, so how do you what is meant by a layer? Layer is nothing but these entities in the drawings have to be placed in specific layers. So how do you create one? So the command for the layer is LA. So you can see this is I will expand this window for you and tell you. Just a minute. There's something happening. Okay. So this is how what the layer looks like. So in the top you can find that if you want, these are the different layers. If you want to add a new layer, here you have the plus button. Just click one, and this is a new layer and create a layer. So I'm going to create a layer called as the sample one. Okay, and you can select the color of the layer. So I'm clicking here for the example, and these two buttons, this is just to turn on and off, to turn the layer on and off, so that it can be, we can choose to show if this layer wants to be displayed in our drawing or not. So this freeze also works in the same command, like it will freeze that particular layer, so all entities within that particular layer will not be shown in the drawing. So this is all about it. So once you have created a layer, what you can do, you can even set the layer as current. So ours was sample, right? So you can even click as S. You can right click it. You can set current. Sorry. You can right click it and you can click set current. Yes. Okay, but and I'm just clicking it on. So this is the current layer. So the current layer is represented by a green color tick on the left side of it. This one, as you can see. So once this is done, what you do? Okay, whenever you draw something right now. Okay, so it repeated the previous command. So I'm drawing any line. So you can see. So it will draw in the same layer. Anything you are drawing, any entity you are drawing will come in the same layer. So this is what the current layer will do. And here, so in case you want to select something and put it to some other layer, just go to the control palette of it and then click on this layer and just input that first letter of the layer. So you can see the sample one. So you can see that the layer has been given to these two lines. So okay, one more thing. So once every entity is in one layer, what you can do, you can just right click it. There is some quick access commands. So for example, you can just select similar. So select similar will basically select all the entities which are in a particular layer. So this is one of the easiest method to select all those layers immediately. So this is one thing. So another thing, if you want to copy something, okay, you can just click select similar, then you can right click again, you can just click copy. Okay, so and you are going to paste it somewhere. So for example, you're taking a new drawing, you're opening a new drawing, you have copied the previous entities and you're going to paste it somewhere. You just right click and clipboard paste to original coordinates, and you don't know where the drawing is now. If you want to zoom into it, what you do, you just click Z enter, E enter. So when you click Z enter, E enter, it will show, it will zoom into that particular entities. So right now we have learned about how to copy, how to paste everything. So these are just the basic commands. And one more thing, you can draw rectangles as well as you can draw revision clouds. How to draw revision clouds is the command is revision cloud. Just click something and just you can draw something like this. This can be used as a markup. Okay, and there are so many commands that can be discussed. We'll discuss it one by one. Okay, as far as utility drawing is concerned, we'll check about one more thing as well, like how to xref a drawing. Okay, xref means external reference. Okay, so basically in while you are working with many drawings, you would like you would be you will be needing to um, reference some drawings over the other. So how do you do that? So what we do, you can just click, you can give this command called as xref, external reference it means. And once you give the xref command, you can click here, you can click attach dwg. Attach dwg, dwg is nothing but a drawing, and you can go and type whatever thing that you just wanted from it. For example, data sets I needed, so I'm going to data sets cat, where it is. Okay, so you can just select the drawing from here, and you can actually, or to say, okay, let me go to desktop downloads. Okay, I'm just selecting this drawing, I'm just clicking okay, open. So it will ask you to specify the open specify on screen insertion point or something. So just click on this, okay, attachment or overlay, it will come. So space, okay, here it is asking about a specify insertion point. So basically what we have to do, you have to click if you want it in 0 comma 0 comma 0, click it. So you can see that this is how you attach a drawing. So this drawing has been attached over it. Okay, and you can see this is going below it. So if you want to bring it up, what you do, just click it, right click, display order, bring to front. Now it has become on the top. So basically, this is all for today's video. In this today's video, we learned what is what is about Civil 3D, what is meant by Civil 3D, what Civil 3D can do, what are the different options in Civil 3D, this prospector, those stuffs, and we learned about the basic stuffs like lines, polylines, circles, how to extra for drawing, then how to offset a line. So, and finally, we finished with how to extra for drawing and how to extra and bring a drawing into this so that we can view. So now, in our upcoming sessions, what we will do, we will discuss more on more on other functionalities, like how do you create an alignment, and what else can you do with this X-Rafter drawing, and how can you X-list something, how you can select something from a nested X-refs, everything we will discuss one by one. So thank you for watching till now. Yeah, and please do like, share to your friends who might be interested, and please do subscribe for this channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Yeah, thank you. Yes.